referring to myself as being famous, because I'm not. I don't feel like I'm famous. I don't associate myself with fame. I'm not famous, but a lot of people tell me I am, so that's why I did the whole bunny ears thing. Look at him. Now, I'm probably not the best person in the world to be giving out advice on this because I don't have millions of subscribers. I don't have 20 million subscribers and I'm the best at YouTube ever. But I do feel like I have a few ideas down that I can give to you guys. A few tips on how to actually run your channel properly if you ever do create one. I have a little list of things here on my computer. I'm so professional. I actually wrote something down this time. First and foremost, I have to get this out of the way. There is no secret to YouTube. A lot of people keep asking me, Jack, what did you do to make your channel so popular? I can't just say one thing and say, oh, go post your videos here. Do this in your video and you will become super famous on YouTube. That's not how it works. You don't just suddenly do something and then all of a sudden it's magically millions of subscribers. Well, unless you're incredibly unique and you think of something that's incredibly unique. I just used the same word twice. Good job. Unless you have something absolutely amazing and it goes completely viral, like Gangnam Style or something like that, you're never just going to suddenly snap and get millions of subscribers. That's not how it works. What you're going to have to do with your videos and your channel as a whole is work your damn ass off. People underestimate how much time this takes. I spend hours every single day doing this stuff. If it's not recording the videos, people think I just sit at home and play games all day long and then just upload them. Fuck no! That's not what happens. I spend like 85% of my time editing those videos and putting them up on YouTube and uploading. What you gotta do is just sit down, record your videos, spend a lot of time like perfecting what you want to do, and then going off, taking the time to edit them, right, get all your settings right. That's a whole different topic. You have to sit down, you have to think of something to do in your video. You do the video, you sit down, you edit it to the best way that you can. Some videos don't need a lot of editing, some of them really need a lot of editing. And then you render it down and then you upload it. You have to put the time in to make your videos as good as possible. And no, this isn't easy. A lot of people think because I sit at home all day doing my job, that it's really easy. It's not. It's the hardest working job I've ever had in my life. It's super hard. You are on all the time. It's 24/7. You never have days off if you're doing YouTube properly. So really work your ass off, people. Next thing I want to talk about is to not advertise yourself. Don't sell your channel. You're not a business unless you want your channel to be like that, but don't sell your channel as something that you just want subscribers from. You just want views and likes from. That's what a lot of people are falling down on. They're like, come look at my videos, subscribe if you want. Don't do that. Put yourself out there, do good videos. Eventually it will get recognized. Eventually it will. If you work super hard and you put the effort in and you have something that you know is good, then it will get noticed. Eventually subscribers will start coming in on their own. You don't need to go off and sell yourself as a business that you're just trying to do this for fame. Don't do that. This is something that I've kind of been priding myself on lately. A lot of people go off and sure, they get a lot of subscribers when they go off and say, please subscribe to my channel and please hit that like button. And if you like it, comment down below and share it with your friends. Like, that just sounds like an advertisement, doesn't it? I know I say smack the like button at the end of every video, but that's just kind of like a fun thing that I like to say nowadays. And whenever I hear something like that, it just turns me off. I listen to the video and I watched the video one time and the guy said that right at the start. And I was just like, nah, not gonna do that now. You've turned me completely off. All you want is subscribers and views. That's not why I want to watch your videos. The way I've been operating my channel is to not force people into anything. I just record my videos, I have fun doing them, I edit them the best I can, my editing isn't the best, and then I just upload them and see what people think. I don't go off and tell people to subscribe. I'm not getting like 2,000 subscribers a day because I do that, which is freaking amazing, by the way. I can't believe it's like 2,000 every single day for like the last month. That is insane. I haven't gone off and advertised myself to do that. I haven't gone off and forced people into subscribing to my channel to be able to accomplish that. So you do know that it's possible, and I think a lot of people have more respect for me and my channel because I do that. They mightn't realize it at first that that's not what I do, but then when they watch some other person's video, they might go, hey, Jacksepticeye actually doesn't do that a lot. And they actually gain respect for you when you do that. They see you as a person. They don't see you as a channel trying to monetize your content all the time. They see you as a person first and foremost, and that is the dead goal that I have for this channel. For people to see me as a person, as a friend, as someone they can actually talk to, that they feel like they know. I don't want people to come to my videos and feel like I'm a guy uploading videos that never interacts with them ever again, and they're just watching me. I like to be in there all the time, letting people know just how grateful I am, because you guys have changed my life. You guys have changed absolutely everything about what I do from day to day, so I have to let you guys know that. So to cut a long point very, very short, don't be a business salesman. Just be a person. Actually, don't just be a person. Be an awesome person. Be the best person you can be. That's the people that people like to watch. Person. To do YouTube properly, you also need the gear to do it. Starting up YouTube, to do it properly, to do it just to compare, say, to do it to my level, to get the quality of the videos that I do, you need to invest in it. You need to actually buy the equipment to do it. I've seen a lot of people try to start YouTube channels off recording their screen with their phone. You might have the best personality in the world, but it's not really going to take off if people can't see your content, if they can't hear you properly, and that's one really important thing. I have learned that a good microphone is actually a lot better than a good video. Anybody out there these days can download Fraps and then record a video in 1080p and upload it. Anybody can do good video quality. It's piss easy. It's the easiest thing you can do on YouTube. But it takes a lot to actually get good, really good audio quality. I'm still not sure on my audio quality. I think it's pretty good for what it is. My environment isn't the best, but good audio quality really goes a long way. If you learn how to record your voice properly, you get a good mic, and then you learn the different kind of actions to do. Like when I'm shouting, you guys will notice I pull back a lot because I used to shout right into my microphone, and that clips it and it distorts it and it makes it sound awful. So you have to get good gear and then learn how to use that gear to maximize your potential. And as you guys saw, my microphone, the pop filter, the thing at the bottom broke to hold my pop filter in. I used to have it clamped to my mic stand, and now I have to have it rubber banded to my actual microphone. So there's rubber bands holding it all together, and this shock mount isn't for this microphone, so that's held together with rubber bands as well. So you do need good equipment, but you don't need to hold it together very well. Another good thing that I learned kind of by accident when I was doing all this is to have some catchphrases. Have like an intro and outro. Every YouTuber has their intro and their outro. Mine is top of the morning to you laddies, and other people have how's it going, bros? My name is PewDiePie. Or hello everybody, my name is Markiplier. Shut up, those were the best impressions I could do. I don't have the deep voice Markiplier does. I can't do that. So just pick something that people can latch onto. Once people hear top of the morning to you, if they ever hear that anywhere else after watching my videos, they'll think of me now. I also have my hat, which I don't kind of wear for vlogs, because I like my vlogs to be a bit more personal, so having the hat kind of disconnects the Jacksepticeye from me. The hats were in Grand Theft Auto 5, in DayZ. Anytime they see it now, they think of me. So that's a good way to kind of reinforce stuff. Having a logo, Jacksepticeye shirt logo, having kind of like banner art, that kind of stuff that when people hear it, they think of you. So it's kind of like branding, like a company would do it, and it just reinforces what the channel is about. It reinforces what you're about and kind of just reminds people of you. But don't overdo it. Don't go around saying it like every 5 minutes in your videos to try and reinforce it. That's just annoying. Nobody likes that. You should also get feedback from people. Learn from what other people are doing. It's fine to go to other YouTube channels and to see what games people are playing and see what's popular and try and get inspiration from them. It's not copying if you go to someone's channel and you see a game and you think, hey, that looks like fun. I might actually enjoy playing that. That would suit my style and I could really do some good videos on it. That's not copying. That's taking inspiration and trying to work on it and perfecting it for yourself. I've done this. I have said that the Skate 3 videos, I watched NerdCubed play it and I thought, hey, you know what? That's actually a really cool idea. I think I could make some good videos on that. I think that would really suit my commentary style, and what do you know? It did. People absolutely love the videos of Skate 3 I do, and people never stop asking for them anymore. But I didn't copy what NerdCubed did. I actually just went off, got inspiration from a game he played, and I did it myself, and I put my own spin on it, and it's nothing like the way he recorded it, but I did take inspiration from it. So it's okay to learn from what others are doing, and then get feedback on what you're doing. When you do it, read the comments and see what people like, what they don't like. If people are just being obnoxious, just ignore them. Like if people say, oh, you're such a gay faggot, Just ignore that shit. You don't need that crap. But if somebody does have constructive criticism, learn from that and work upon it. If somebody criticizes your video, don't just blast them and go off on one. I know you put a lot of time into your videos and you don't like seeing people hate on them, but sometimes you have to take it into consideration. Sit back, an outside view, look at your videos, see what's good, see what's bad, and then work on it. But just to add to that point, you can't please everyone. You shouldn't try and please everyone because you can't. This is something that's really hard to understand when you start off on YouTube. It took me a very long while to do it. It still kind of pisses me off and hurts me and gets to me when I see that I can't please everybody, but you just have to battle through it because you can't. You could be Jesus Christ himself making videos and people would still hate him. You're never going to have 100% satisfaction. PewDiePie put up a video on raising money for charity for poor people in Africa, and he got hated for it. He got dislikes on his video. Who dislikes a video for charity raising money? That's just fucking obnoxious. So that is proof enough that you can't please everybody. It's just impossible. And the very last point that I want to talk about is have fun. I have that in capital letters here on my script, with fucking exclamation points at the end of it. If you're not having fun playing the games, nobody's going to have fun watching you play them. That's why I have a lot of energy in real life. I have a lot of enthusiasm and energy, and I bounce around all the time. My head doesn't do this in real life though. Not really. Not a bobblehead. But I try and show that enthusiasm and that energy in my videos. I've had a lot of people comment on it saying that, oh Jack, I love your energy, and that's good. That's what I want to convey. I am full of energy all the time. You can tell by how fast I talk. Because I'm having fun, it radiates through my video. People see that I'm having fun and they have fun along with you. Fun and smiles and happiness is completely contagious. If you're having fun playing your game, other people will just naturally smile along, unbeknownst to themselves. They won't even know why they're smiling along, but they just will. And then they'll root for you and they'll stick behind you. So have fun. Go out, record games that you really love playing, that you know a lot about, and you have fun playing, and just do it. Just do what comes naturally. Don't force anything. And that about wraps up all my tips. Those went on a lot longer than I intended, because I talk a lot when I get into vlogs. I try and explain too much. I'm sorry if you guys hate watching me for like 20 minutes, just sitting here. My face. Hi. And I know what a lot of people are going to say when they see this video. Jack just got a shout out from PewDiePie, and that's the only reason he's popular. No, it's not. Don't put down my work like that. I put a lot of effort into my channel, and that's why the channel is where it is. It's true that at the start, I had like 2,000 subscribers, 2,328, I actually think I had, by the time the PewDiePie shoutout came. That got me up to about 12 to 20,000 subscribers in a week. That's what that shoutout did. That shoutout got me to a point where my videos started to show up in searches. When you searched Grand Theft Auto 5, my videos actually started to show up then on the main page of YouTube. And that's what happened. Then people started to like the videos a lot more, they started to see the videos a lot more and a lot more organically, and then from there it just snowballed. So the shout out really helped, it really got things going. If you think about it this way, the shout out from PewDiePie was him turning on the ignition. If you have a car and you turn the key, he turned on the engine. I am the one who hit the accelerator. If I hadn't have worked my freaking ass off, if I hadn't have believed in myself and made videos that I thought were good and put them up on YouTube, he never would have looked twice at the channel. He would have looked at it and went, nah, pass. But he looked at it, he saw potential, and then it just worked from there. I worked hard, I got to where I am because I worked hard, so don't underestimate working hard. It's not about who you know. A lot of people do think it's about who you know, and they just go off name dropping people all over the place. It's not about who you know, it's about what you do. And I sound like Batman.
It's not who I am underneath, but what I do, that defines me. Alfred, call Lucius.
So that's about all I'm gonna say on channel tips. I know I rambled a lot about a lot of nothing half the time, but I feel like those are some good principles to stand